How to see who viewed your public profile story on Snapchat. So if you want to see who viewed your public profile story on Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open your Snapchat, now go for the upper left, which has that profile option. Once you're here on the profile, scroll down, and here you will have my public profile, and here you will have your public story, right? Tap on that, and then here on the bottom left you will have an eye option. Tap on the eye, or you can simply swipe upside, and once you swipe up, here you will have the viewers and the number of people who have taken the screenshot and the replies. So here you will have all of the viewers. So I have 11 viewers, and if you scroll down here you will have all of the viewers list. So you can see these persons have viewed your public story. So that's how you can see who viewed your public profile story on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.